So what do you do when you have a print fail? I've had a couple that failed right at the last moment, and I believe they were salvageable, so I've tried a couple of things. I'll show you what I did. So there are going to be some prints that just aren't salvageable. Like this one pulled up, and it didn't even have a finished base layer. This one, I think they all came loose and flew all over the print table. And this came loose from the print table, and so I lost origin and I wasn't able to, finish or complete the print. So I held on to this piece. It's like, how can I reuse this? And I don't know if I've got enough. Can you see that flexure? I don't know if I've got enough strength here to do a lot with it, but I'm holding on to these so I can eventually, hopefully, recycle the filament into new filament. So I had a video the other day where I talked about this Ryobi battery holder, and this is the one that did not finish printing the top. And you can see from the shimmer, I just put on an additional coat of super glue just to fill in the hole so it can be, doesn't fill up with water or dirt. I'm not sure what the dark spots are. I may have dropped something on it. But anyway, that print is still usable after filling in the holes. I could have filled it in with some baking soda, and it's meant to be utilitarian, and if it breaks, I'll just print another one. This is a measuring cup. This is a failed version of the measuring cup. This is another failed version of the measuring cup. This was done with nylon, and it got stringy on the inside, so there was really no saving this for its purposes. And this is actually a failed print because I printed it like this without any supports. So the inside bottom was very porous. So my solution here was to apply some heat. Took an old soldering iron and removed the tip and found that these threads are common. And I found a screw with those threads, and I stuck it in the end. Since this plastic is used to being heated up, that's how you extrude it, originally I started with the tip in the soldering iron, and it just doesn't have a lot of surface area to make to smooth anything out. That's why I switched to the screw. And then I came in, and the objective with this is, to see if it would work. And I would come in and heat small portions of the area once it got warm and try to melt it down. I think I maneuvered a little bit back and forth, and the dark spots here are from the original tip. I did try something that I thought was interesting. With the original soldering iron tip, I put in a washer and tried to heat the washer, and then tried to move the washer around. Wasn't very successful, so that's when I switched to the screw and had moderate success with this. This was a prototype. My wife likes having a scoopable, something you can stick a spatula in and scoop out this rounded shape, and this may not be the one that gets used. May use it for cat food or bird seed or something. But you can see that I was able to close in most of the porousness. There's still a little bit in there. I hesitate to apply too much more heat or pressure because it might start to deform. But the shape itself, from my efforts with the heat, don't appear to have done any damage. Still not 100% sure. It's that green ABS. So, what are your solutions for prints that fail? Like this. Obviously, these let loose from the table, so I couldn't, try to recomplete the print by printing from a certain layer up. If it comes loose and it's failed, what do you do? Or if it's, 99% done and it fails, what do you do? I'm curious. Leave a comment below and let me know, because I'm very interested in hearing what other people are doing, and then I will also try that in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.